Hello, it's Patrick Zuniga, founder and lead consultant of My Mind, My Power, here to talk to you a little bit about the daily thinking tasks. Now, these work well for daily activities or weekly routines. They can even be used for sub-plans. The first thing you want to do is download the Activity Thinking Tasks worksheet, and when you do, you get something that looks like this, a two-sided sheet of paper with 5 spaces to write. Here you can see Fridays is about Smokey Bear. There's some information about Smokey Bear and then a couple of questions here in the prompts. So the students would get the information for that activity by scrolling down here, a little bit of more information. If they click on the read one, the reading link, they get Smokey the Bear's virtual website. If they click on the visual, they get a news clip about Smokey the Bear. The students would then get 8 to 10 minutes to write. They would peer review their answers, count one another's words or count their own words, and then score themselves.